Welcome to Inlet Cove, gorgeous new construction townhomes on Radio Island, situated right in between the Beaufort waterfront and the downtown Morehead City waterfront. It offers the best of both worlds. I can't wait to show you around. Let's go. Welcome inside Inlet Cove. The open floor plan lets in tons of natural light, and we love how it flows straight from the dining area into the luxury kitchen, to the living area, and right outdoors to the covered porches. At almost 2,500 square feet, there's plenty of room for family and friends to come and stay. The optional elevator makes going from the 4th floor to the ground floor a breeze. In addition to the elevator, buyers also have the option to add a ground floor 4th bedroom and full bath, and their own boat slip in the Inlet Cove Marina. We think you're going to love it here as much as we do.